What does it really mean to be a mother? This MMFF season, Vice Ganda returns with a film that goes beyond laughs. In Call Me Mother, the phenomenal star reunites with Nadine Lustre in a story that dives into the many layers and truths of motherhood, served with heart, humor, and reflection.
Tuwing Pasko, gusto namin mapatawa namin kayo. Gusto namin mapagaan namin yung mga pakiramdam ninyo kahit sandali lang kasi ang bigat-bigat ng sitwasyon ng napakaraming Pilipino sa Pilipinas. Nandito ako ngayon sa punto ng karera ko na ayoko na lang basta magpatawa. Gusto ko pagkatapos ko kayong patawaanin, meron din naman kaming realize sa inyo, ipinapamulat sa kaisipan ng madami. Meron kaming totoong kwento na isinasabuhay.
For Nadine, saying yes to the project meant stepping into a role she never expected, but one that opened meaningful conversations.
Very excited lang ako na makita ng mga tao itong pelikula kasi sobrang ganda naman talaga ng kwento about motherhood nito. Tapos, ang dami ko ding natutunan na kahit yung sa character ko si Mara, hindi siya ready but that doesn't make you a bad person. Ganon. And yung pagiging family din, it's not always by blood.
Director June Robles Lana describes the film as a heartfelt gift to audiences, carefully crafted to bring families together during the holidays. Vice earlier revealed that Call Me Mother made history as the first film in Asia shot in Disneyland and only the third in the world.
Nilaban talaga namin na maging malaki ang mga set pieces, yung mga comedy, yung pageant. It's going to be an event, it's going to be an experience. At talagang masasabi ko, itong pelikulang to, talagang regalo namin sa kanila.
Joining the film are former PBB housemates who couldn't hide their excitement as they lived their dream of working with Vice Ganda and Nadine. This Christmas, Call Me Mother promises not just laughs, but moments that hit close to home, reminding audiences that sometimes the strongest love comes in the most unexpected forms.